And this time we'll be seeing one important question from manufacturing. Even this is easy if you know the cross section of the sand mold and all the casting design process. So they have asked, like, in a casting process, the vertical channel through which a molten metal flows downwards. Okay, a vertical channel through which molten metal flows downwards from pouring basin to runner for reaching mold cavity is called. That particular component we call it using some specific word. So normally during it we'll have a question on this particular aspect, like we'll be applying continuity equation, all those stuff. Let's see what is those. So first we'll draw how very simple sand mold process will look like. I'll just draw a very simple one. Let's try to make it as simple as possible. So this is pouring basin and this is sand mold, and like to draw like this. So all these are dots. So it's sand actually. This is the mold cavity. So this is going to be gate, and this is going to be runner, and this is going to be pouring basin. So having been drawn this, they are asking in a casting process the vertical channel through which molten metal flows downwards from pouring basin to runner. So this is pouring basin, this is runner. So what is this particular portion which is like in a conical shape? Okay, it's just like a nozzle. We call it to be sprue. So option is sprue. If you know this particular drawing and if you had the concepts in mind, you will be able to solve this very easy. Okay, fine. We'll see in the next question.